So this is my 1960s Evinrude Lark 3 outboard motor. It's a 60 horsepower outboard. I got it in, it was basically trash. All the wiring was destroyed and I had to figure out how to rewire it. So it's been totally rewired. I have briefly run it once before, but today we're gonna see if it will start up after sitting for a year, and before that, you know, probably 20 plus years. And we'll see if it sucks up water. We might have to replace the impeller on it, but we're gonna see if we can rig up a way to run water through it. It's pretty cool. It's got electric start. It's also got a pole start here. Get your carburetor. And I'll show you all the inside underneath this cover as well and see all the wiring I had to do. So this is what she looks like under the hood. Got all new wiring, power wiring for the starter motor. Had to replace a few hoses. Had to figure out how to wire up an ignition, because whatever boat it originally was installed on, I guess the ignition was up at the where the steering wheel is. But we got all new wiring. I'll put a picture up of the wiring diagram. It's pretty cryptic. It was not easy to figure out all of this. All new spark plugs, and had to do, these run off of capacitors actually, which is kind of old technology. So for a long time I wasn't getting any spark. So I changed those capacitors out and that fixed my issue. So got a pull start, which is incredibly hard to do. But that's about it for the tour. We'll see if we can get her to fire up. This right here is probably one of my favorite things that I did. I had to put a shift knob on it, and so I found this wrench. Came out of something, I'm not really sure what it was. A pretty cheap wrench, bent it, and then put 2 holes in it so it fit into this assembly, and then you can shift the boat or the motor. Pretty neat. We got the fuel system primed, hooked up to the battery. Try starting it without starting fluid first. Alright, this is take 2. Progress. Alright, she runs good. A little smoky. Pretty neat though. Alright, next up we'll see if we can get it to run some water through it.